For a deficit forward lunge, you're going to lunge forward, pressing away from the floor and landing back up on top of your object. In this first part of the video, I'm using a 45-pound bumper plate, but you can also use an aerobic step if these are more accessible in your gym. Just make sure you place it in front of a bumper plate, a squat rack, or a wall so that your back foot doesn't push it away from you and you do the splits. When you're doing a forward lunge, you want to make sure that you're landing forward, full flat foot. Make sure that your heel isn't coming up, and even though there's a lot more pressure on your toe, you're pushing on your whole foot, exploding away from the floor and standing back up on your object. To ensure you're using good form, make sure that you're not swinging your upper body backwards to stand back up on your object. One, it will throw you off balance as you can see, but two, it's a sign that you're not using all your leg strength. So make sure that you really explode off that front foot and land back up on top of your object using just your leg strength and minimal upper body momentum. Even though there's a lot of pressure on your toe, your foot should remain flat on the floor, pressing through your whole foot and exploding back up on top of your bumper plate or aerobic step, whichever one you're using. To ensure that you have the most balance, you want to make sure that you're stepping right in front of your shoulder, not in line with your toes. You want to avoid doing these on a balance beam, so make sure you're landing that foot straight out in front of your shoulder. Also make sure, as well as with every other leg exercise, we don't want that knee to cave in. That knee should follow your toe, pressing away from the floor and standing back up on your object.